Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board one of our very first 2020 Sea Ray SPX 230 outboards. Now, there's something really unique about this boat that I'm going to show you new for 2020, but we're going to start at the back just like we always do and check out every detail on this boat. And before you're done with this video, do not forget to grab the links, like and subscribe to see more content like this. So at the back of this, we've got that white 200 Mercury V6. If you haven't been in front of one yet, you need to. It's an experience. It's the best that exists on the market right now. And of course, these SPXs, they do something fantastic with the storage. With a quick release little latch, you have an incredible open area back here, and you're gonna see that storage container for 2 tables. That's right, this boat has both the cockpit and the forward option. And you're seeing this gray interior, and it might look a little whiter on the camera, but in reality, this is Sea Ray's brand new for 2020 stone interior. Not only is it effortlessly classy, but one of the things in the past with the ivory and the dune interiors is the dash has stayed the same. The stone, it gets its own gray dash. It's lighter in the sun, and it's just incredible. In fact, I predict, having sold from 400 SLXs on down with this stone gray already this year, there's gonna be a run on this. This is unquestionably the hottest model. And in a 230, you get the smallest that has a bathroom. So a very nicely finished Dometic head gives you just enough room for those people who have an emergency on the water. You've got the Infinity vinyl inside. Sea Ray does an incredible job with this. It stays reasonably cool, it's soft on your feet, and it's durable. It really is, it lasts a long time. Here at the dash, they give you the best of both worlds here. You've got analog multi-function displays for those who just like to see that in front of their face, but they don't forget about the GPS and those on saltwater. 5-inch in that acrylic dash. This boat is finished fantastically. Yo, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 2020 230 SPX from Sea Ray. If you haven't seen the beautiful gray hull on this boat, check out the pictures, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for a ton of beautiful vessels just like this. We'll talk to you soon.